How do you go from this to this? What once served as the fire station of Bree, a small Belgian town near the Dutch border, has been transformed into 9 compact studios designed for modern living. Comfortable, efficient homes for a new generation of residents.
Hello, I'm Axel from Bao Living, and I'll be walking you through this renovation project. This historic building has been carefully redesigned to meet today's standards for comfort, openness, and sustainability, while preserving its character and charm. The project consists of 9 studios across 3 buildings. On the ground and first floors, 6 studios are organized around a central bathroom core with generous cabinet space and our well-known Murphy bed modules on the left. On the right, each studio features a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances and a small dining area. The first floor studios also have a terrace overlooking the courtyard. The top floor of each building has a different atmosphere, with open ceilings beneath the roofs and playful structural details that give the spaces a unique character. And at the center of that transformation, SAM. With SAM, our smart adaptable modules, we integrated all core utilities into one compact system. Kitchen, bathroom, electricity, heating, ventilation, and storage. Everything is pre-engineered, prefabricated, and ready to install as a single, large, modular furniture and utility solution. In this project, we combine the classic SAM elements, like our Murphy bed, with new innovations, such as an integrated washbasin, circular shower panels, and an open corner cabinet. This is also the second project we've fully uploaded to our digital maintenance platform. With a simple QR code inside the technical cabinet, the owner gets direct access to the full 3D model of their SAM, along with all material and appliance information. It makes maintenance easier, and it allows them to contact us directly whenever something needs repair, replacement, or optimization. This isn't just a renovation. It's proof that circular thinking, modular technology, and smart design can transform even the most compact spaces into homes that breathe. And for us, this is just the beginning. Countless buildings across Europe and beyond are waiting to be reimagined into sustainable, comfortable places to live. And we're ready to help make it happen. Thank you to Kaztaar for the inspiring partnership. Discover more modular living at baoliving.com.